Hi, today for the VIVO Y16 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, we can add here more applications. If you want to rename the app, just hold it for a while and tap to rename, or also we can just open the folder, tap on the name here and rename it by this way. So now, for example, under here the apps, tap to OK, and we can see that we just successfully renamed the folder. Just to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold it and just drag it to the left or to the right side of our bottom. Also, we can create new screens with the folders. That's also not a problem. If you want to remove the application from the folder, you should hold it for a while and just drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.